My name's Bosco Marin. I go to Master Academy and I'm in 11th grade. I was really aiming for a high score in my SAT. And I know that if I would study just a bit of math, at least a reminder of everything, I know I would be able to do good. And Piece of Pie really helped me achieve that. It was mostly like I just need a reminder of everything and learn the topics that I didn't know. Once you hear the thing of 4 hours a day on Sundays, you think it's gonna be too much and keeping up with the homeworks during the week, especially with school. Like you think it's too much, but like it's super manageable. So normally they gave me like around 13 assignments. Sunday after my class I wouldn't do any, and then Monday through Friday I'd put like 2 to 3 assignments per day. Maybe even work on a Saturday if I don't have an SAT practice test. And yeah, it was mostly 2 to 3 assignments per day, at least like an hour per day. Very manageable, yeah. The group, I didn't really mind. I mean, maybe I'd be like less confident to ask questions, but it actually really didn't change anything. Like I still asked. And it being virtual, like normally you'd expect like physical tutoring to be more like that it would help you more. But because normally online, like you get distracted more and like I guess you don't learn as much. But like for Piece of Pie, it was completely different. Like I was able to learn like super easily through the online virtual calls. My tutor, I think, had also maybe done the digital SAT. I'm not sure. It was either her first or second year in college, and she was really helpful because like her SAT was most similar to mine, making her know like what was going to be in mine, being able to teach me the like right things. Throughout the weeks, I would like basically think like, yeah, this is a lot of work. And once I'm doing it, I like go along with it like with ease, knowing the work. And I knew that at the end, like it would work out for me because if I got the score that I desired, then I would be able to go to the college, like to my dream colleges. Like I was just thinking about like my future. It's gonna be a lot of work, and you really have to dedicate to it. Don't like skip or like not do your stuff because at the end, like it's gonna be super beneficial to you. And like trust me, do the work, and you'll be super happy with your results.
Well, I think it's a very professional service. Is it has a very distinct method of putting together a course with a tutor, with very much set schedule of tests, revisions, exercises on an ongoing basis, and it brings that discipline to the student that I think is needed for this kind of test.
The classes were good because it was a lot of review of the subject, but the following week you'd already learned the subject, so you'd be ready for the class. I feel like in the homeworks, the videos are really helpful when you don't know how to do an answer. And then the mock exams are to see how much you're improving, which like you see yourself progress and it makes you feel like happy about yourself and how you're gonna score. So I think I started at a 510 and I ended up with a 760. So I improved 250 points, which I did not expect. The extra reviews you guys provide, I feel like those really helped me out towards the end when it came to getting close to the actual SAT day. It like gave you a reminder of everything, and I feel like that's what helped me the most. It allowed me to get bright futures, and now that I've got that math score, I'm gonna focus on my reading and just hopefully get a really high SAT score. Just the score that I got, I would have never expected to gotten like either with any other tutoring or just I would have never expected it. I've recommended it to like about 10 friends and they've all taken Piece of Pie.
Mm.
Like since I recommended it to them, I've had all my friends that recently got 790s, 770s. For the people that haven't done Piece of Pie, I'd really recommend Piece of Pie that like some people that might not want to work as much, I tell them like me, I didn't expect to work this much. I did it and like the results are just amazing and like they should do Piece of Pie and study this amount because in the end it'll work out.